Nature slowly has a hand on us. We see throughout those mountains that the wind by nightfall can carry over. The skyline is gonna probably have some rain about after nightfall. I'll say 30 minutes after. We tend to tread lightly in these hours because we know there's something out there. Nature. Nature is right among us. At our backsides, holding us up firmly in the night. We can see the prowlers late at night. Almost midnight if you're carrying a clock watch. Down to the millisecond will tell you that these guys are predators.